Hi, Dave Hall here with Restore Muscle Car here in Lincoln, Nebraska. We got our Barrett-Jackson collection here for Scottsdale. The auction starts this weekend on the 13th. Our cars actually start going through next Wednesday. We have 7 cars going this year. I'm going to start with probably one of my favorites. This is a 1970 W30 Olds 442 with the W27 rear end in it. This car's only got 2,300 original Survivor miles on it. It's Survivor paint, a complete Survivor finish on this car, deluxe cloth interior, which was actually a very rare option on this car. It's a bench seat, 4-speed car, 2,300 miles. This car's go through next Saturday, so watch for it on our website. Both of these cars are one-owner cars. One of them's got 5,000 miles, the other one's got 7,000 miles. One of them goes through on Wednesday, the other one goes through on Sunday. We have a 1971 455HO 4-speed car. It's got the blue standard interior, full numbers matching, frame-off restored car. This car goes through, I believe, on Friday. We have 2 73 Super Duties. This 73 Super Duties, we have one 4-speed car, one of 72, that's actually nut and bolt, frame off, ground up, restored, full numbers matching, very rare car, and identical car other than having the full hood bird on it and being an automatic with air conditioning. This is a one-owner car out of Florida with 43,000 actual miles on the title. Both of these cars, one of them goes through, the automatic goes through on Friday, the 4-speed car goes through on Saturday. This last one is our 73 red Buccaneer Trans Am. It's a 455 automatic AC. It's loaded with options. It's got the black deluxe interior. Everything is done. This car has all the detail tags on it, nut and bolt, frame off, super nice red Trans Am that's going through on Friday. I think we have the red 73, the blue 71, and then the automatic Super Duty all go through on Friday afternoon and early evening. And then the Super Duty 4-speed car goes through on Saturday afternoon. Check them out online. We'll have lot numbers and everything available across the video for you and in the description and on our website with a bunch more details and videos to follow. Thank you.